Are you looking for the best ping pong paddles to take your game up a notch in 2022? Look no further. This video will show you some of the top-rated paddles on the market. We have included links in the description box. Let's get started. At number 1 is Stiga Pro Carbon Performance Level Table Tennis Racket. The Pro Carbon is equal to the Infinity Balance for Jula, which stands out as one of Jula's best pre-assembled paddles. It's actually one of the most popular rackets on Amazon, and it's simple to understand why. The Pro Carbon has a rapid 7-ply carbon blade that weighs about the same as other 5-ply blades at 159 grams, despite the additional 2 layers. Looping is undoubtedly an option with the Stiga S5 rubbers because they can also produce respectable spin. All you'll need to execute it is good form and a modest to a lot of effort. If you are already a skilled looper, I would suggest a quicker setup. The price of this ping pong paddle has increased significantly over time, which is one annoying feature. Since its all-time low pricing in 2017, it has more than doubled in price. At number 2 is Jula Infinity Balance Advanced Performance Ping Pong Paddle. The Jula Infinity Balance is an excellent paddle for players at the intermediate level. I recently had the chance to test it out, and I was pleasantly surprised by its quality. It boasts a 7-ply all-wood blade that is easy to manage and has good speed. For intermediate players, it bridges the gap between 5-ply all-wood blades and 7-ply carbon blades. I had the freedom to block, drive loop, and smash. Its leniency made it simple for me to maintain my consistency. My only serious problem was that a few of my stops of slower shots went into the goal, but after making some changes, I managed to get them in. To anyone searching for an intermediate paddle at a fantastic price, I heartily recommend it. At number 3 is Killer Spin JET200 Ping Pong Paddle. A flamboyant ping pong paddle that is ideal for newcomers to the game is the Killer Spin Jet 200. It pops out on the table and is offered in lime, mocha, and navy blue. It works well as an all-around bat for beginners in terms of performance. You have enough spin and speed at your disposal to get the hang of the game's fundamentals. You cannot use this bat for competitive play because the unidentified rubbers do not meet TF standards. I don't think many of you want to go right into league and tournament play, but for those who want, think about another bat like the Paleo Expert 3. At number 4 is Paleo Legend 2.0 Table Tennis Racket. The Paleo Legend 2.0 Table Tennis Racket is an excellent racket for players looking to generate maximum power and spin. The Paleo Hadu rubbers remain unchanged, providing great speed and spin, and are TF approved. The redesigned Paleo XT Legend 2 blade gives players even better power and feeling. This bat is ideal for players looking to improve their game overall. At number 5 is Paleo Expert 3.0 Table Tennis Racket. The eagerly anticipated Paleo Expert version 3 update, keeping all of the Expert's best qualities and improving where there was space for development, adding a larger edge tape that would help keep the rubbers in place while still allowing for removal and replacement of them, a stronger case, with an updated handle. The Paleo Expert 3.0 Table Tennis Racket, brought to you exclusively by Expert Table Tennis, is advised for beginner and progressing players who wish to start incorporating spin into their play. The new and improved Paleo Expert 3.0 Table Tennis Bat is ideal for players who want to get the most spin out of their swings. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like it if you did. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. Wishing you all the best until the next video.